Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying permission to use the music. This is the core. Check whether the track is royalty-free, Creative Commons, or requires a paid sync license, and note restrictions like non-commercial use or attribution. Once you have the file, download the exact version you will use and save the license proof or invoice. Make sure to register the track details in your project notes so you can answer disputes quickly. That documentation prevents strikes and demonetization later. Next, you edit the music specifically for shorts. Trim to the 15 to 60 second length and make sure the hook or chorus appears early so the impact is immediate. Once trimmed, normalize loudness, duck background music under voice, and add short fades to avoid abrupt cuts. These choices reduce content ID matches and improve viewer experience. Make sure to save the exact timestamps you used and embed metadata like title, artist, and license ID into the file for transparency. Finally, you upload with intent. In the description, add the music credit, license type, and a brief note about permissions. When YouTube flags Content ID, immediately check the claim details. If you have a license, submit a dispute with the license and invoice attached. If dispute fails, use YouTube Studio to mute or swap the track or replace audio and upload. If issues persist, keep backups and consider switching to a vetted library track to avoid repeated strikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.